Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming model and firmware. This ensures you download the correct file. Insert a 1632 GB FAT32 USB drive into your computer because the head unit only reads that format. Once done, download the exact Honda update package for your model and verify the file name. This prevents mismatches. Copy the update folder to the USB root, not inside other folders. Make sure the car has stable power. Low battery can corrupt the update, so keep the engine running or use a charger. You insert the USB into the specified port and navigate the Infotainment menu to System Update. This tells the unit to scan external media. When the system detects the update, select the file and accept any prompts. This starts the transfer and prevents accidental interruptions. Pay attention to progress bars and messages. They indicate stages like file verification and installation. Avoid pressing buttons or removing the USB while updates write critical system partitions, because disrupting this will require recovery procedures. You let the unit reboot fully. This finalizes installation and clears temporary files, so be patient. Once it restarts, check settings right arrow system information to confirm the new firmware version. This verifies success. If the update fails, make sure the USB was FAT32, reformat and recopy the package, then try again. Many failures are media-related. If problems persist, record any error codes and contact your dealer or Honda support, because they can perform a recovery flash or hardware diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.